Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add loyalty cards to Google Wallet on TCL 50 Pro NxtPaper. To add loyalty cards to Google Wallet, open the Google Wallet app. Now, as you can see, I already have some loyalty cards added here. I can click on them and they will either show me the barcode or the member ID, or some of them will show me a QR code. It depends on the loyalty program. And to add it to your Google Wallet, add new loyalty card, click on add to wallet, then loyalty card, and now you can choose a loyalty program from the recommended ones or type in here to search for any other one. I'm gonna add Tesco. You can scan the barcode from the physical card here or enter manually. Now enter the member ID. And click on add to wallet. And now it's added. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.